Atomic Learning's online training resources are available to media, arts and design staff and students. They provide access to short, easy-to-understand tutorial videos to support your IT skills training and show you how to apply those skills. The library of IT training includes relevant ICT applications such as Adobe Creative Suite and Microsoft Office on both Mac and PC platforms. Over 250 tutorials are available, including Google Apps training, browser training, assistive technology, Java programming, Google Docs, Office 365 and SPSS to name a few. To access Atomic Learning, you've been supplied with a login and password. If you don't have access to this information, please contact the IT training team on it.training@westminster.ac.uk. Students log in with their university email address and the generic password Westminster. On the home page of the Atomic Learning website, on the left-hand side are Getting Started tips, which are videos showing you how to use the website. To search for a particular piece of software that you'd like to learn, click inside the keywords box and type in the software. The search will bring back resources linked to the title of your search. The online training is divided into categories which can be expanded to provide more videos.
You can group objects on the artboard to make it easier to manipulate them. Here you can see that I have a record sitting on a turntable. This is actually made of separate objects.
Once you've viewed the videos, your students can go down to the bottom to an Assessments tab where they can be tested on the knowledge for the video that they've seen. Once the assignment's been completed, feedback is given on the test that's been taken. By expanding the tab on that section, videos are shown to tell you more about the information of the subjects that you got wrong. It's possible to assign training, recommend training, and create easy links to training videos. To assign training, go to the content that you wish to assign. On the left-hand side under Tools, click on Assign Training. Type in an assignment name and select a due date that you want the assignment to be completed by. And scroll down and tick the boxes for the content that you'd like to include in the assignment. And click on Next. From here you can assign it to specific users by typing in the username and clicking on Add. Then clicking on Next. Atomic Learning gives you information about the assignment that you're giving, which is layers in Photoshop in this instance. It tells you how many users that training has been assigned to and the due date as well. And when you're happy, you can click on Submit Assignment. And an email will be sent to the individuals that the assignment's been sent to for them to access the resources. As an alternative to assigning training to your students for them to complete, you may prefer to simply recommend content to students that's relevant for their studies. On the left-hand side, click on Recommend Training. Give your recommended content a name and select an expiry date where the links to the resources will diminish. Scroll through and tick the content that you want to be included in your recommended training and click on Next. Choose the users that you wish to assign the recommended training to and click on Add. When you've selected all of the students that you wish to recommend the training to, click on Next. Atomic Learning will then give you the name that you've chosen, the expiry date for the resources, and the number of users that you've given the recommended training to. And when you're ready, click on Add Recommended Training. As well as assigning and recommending training, there are easy links which enable you to select elements of a set of tutorials that you'd like your students to take a look at, and you can paste these links into your Blackboard module site. On a topic of interest, click on Create Easy Links. Go through and select the topics that you'd like to include. And when you're ready, click on Preview Easy Links. This will show you how they'll display within Blackboard. Click on Get Easy Links HTML and copy the data in this screen. Click on the Close button on the top right hand corner and go to your Blackboard site to add some content in. And you can paste in the HTML link that you copied. And you can see that these easy links have been pasted on your Blackboard site. And from here the students can click on these links which take them straight to Atomic Learning.
The master level file in Final Cut Pro is called the project file.